if you're new, my name's Katrina. So today I'm going to be showing you this really easy classic smoky eye look. I'm pretty sure you can create it with any palette that you might have already, and I'm going to give you suggestions on what palettes I like to use to create this look. I think this is perfect for all the holidays and everything coming up because it's just like a really classic neutral look. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Okay, so I already filled in my brow, well, as best as I can because I need to do my eyebrows, and I've already primed my lid with Morphe eyelid primer. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe Copper Spice 25A. This is like my go-to palette when I'm like unsure of what look I really want to do. This is my go-to, as you can see, because it's definitely been used. But yeah, I just love all the different shades of browns. Like browns, rose golds, bronze is like my go-to look because I know that's something I can do fast and it's something I'm like comfortable in. That's the palette I'm going to be using today. And really, you could use any palette as long as you have like the main kind of colors that I'm going to use. You can definitely create this look. I'm going to be starting off with this color right here. I believe this is Afterlife. It's like a reddish brown color. You could definitely do a lot of different variations with this look. Like you can start with a more orangey on top and build into like the reddish brown and build into the brown. I'm going to start off with the brown just to kind of keep it simple. I'm going to put that right in my crease. Oops, I forgot my teeth. Even though you don't really need it for this look, but I like having it there. It's easier for me. I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this color in my crease. You can keep building the color as much as you want. You definitely want to have it a little bit more intense because it starts to get lost as you go on. Even though we are going to kind of build it up later on also, definitely you want it to be more intense in the beginning. I'm just going to wipe my brush on this. If you don't have this, get one. Like it's basically like a sponge. You can take that. It's basically like a sponge, and in between shadows you can kind of just wipe it off or wipe off the excess color and then use the brush for another color. I like to take off any excess color with it, and then I like to blend with the same brush. I'm going to take a slightly smaller brush and I'm going to go into Chase. So it's like a deep, it's almost like a chocolatey brown color. I'm going to be putting that in my crease also, but I don't want it to extend as far out as the first color, so that's why I'm taking like a smaller brush. So I'm staying very close to my crease line with this color. Also, I'm going to kind of bring it into the outer parts of my lid. The outer and the inner. Just going to take another big fluffy brush and just kind of blend those two colors together. Not too much because again, you don't want the brown to come as high as the first color, but just enough so that it's blended. Definitely you want to do this part with a light hand. Now I'm going to take my sponge and I'm going to wipe off that excess color. And I'm going to go in with the darkest brown on this palette. I think it's Destination. So I'm going to take that on my brush. Tap off the excess. Again, I'm going to put this very close to my lash line. I'm sorry, not to my lash line, my crease line. Very close to my crease line. And I'm going to also do the outer lid and the inner lid. Again, take that fluffy brush and I'm just going to very lightly blend that in. Now I'm just going to take like this flat, I don't know what's good. It's like a flat eyelid brush. This is the Morphe M124. So now I'm going to go into black. This is Unveil. I'm going to pat that onto my brush, tap off the excess. All we're gonna do is pat that all over the lid, starting very close to the lash line. And then going up to the lid. We're only coloring the lid. Don't put this into the crease, only the lid. The black on this palette is not like super pigmented as soon as you put it on, but it's definitely buildable. So it might take a couple times, but definitely just build in that black. Again, don't bring it above the crease, just keep it on the lid. Once you feel like you've made it as intense as you want, I'm gonna take this, what is this? This is the Jeffree Star JS5 brush. And I'm just gonna very lightly start blending the black into my crease. You don't want to bring the black above the brown, and definitely not above the red. You want to keep it to the lid, but you just want to blend it out so you don't have such a harsh line. Again, use a very light hand. Key to this look is blending. So that's what I feel like you're going to spend the majority of the time with this look, just kind of blending and perfecting everything. I'm going to kind of wing outside a little bit. Again, why I love having the tape, because it's basically like a guideline. Okay. Now after you finished blending the black, you kind of want to go into the previous colors just to intensify a little bit. So I'm going into that brown color we used. Okay. I'm just blending that. And I'm going into the first color we used and just intensifying that a little bit. I'm just going to blend all that together. I'm going to take this color, this is Sand Dollar. I'm just going to put that right under the high point of my brow. Just blend that together. I'm going to take this tape off. You're definitely going to have fallout, so I'm just going to take a cotton pad and I'm going to use this BRA charcoal micellar cleansing water. Just clean up under my eye. I'm going to put on lashes really quickly and I'll be right back. So I applied my lashes. So now we're going to go back into that brown colored chase. Apply it to my under eye. I'm going to go into the black color and I'm going to take, this is basically like a flat eyeliner brush. And I'm going to put that really close to my lash line. Just take the brush you used before and just blend that together. I'm gonna go into this color. It's actually called Rose Gold, and I'm gonna put that in my inner tear duct. And then if you want to intensify the look even more, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner. And I'm gonna tight line up here. And then also add it to my waterline. So now I'm just gonna do my face off camera and then I'll come back and show you the finished look. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? Really simple. You only need a couple colors to create this look, and of course you can add more colors, like more orange up here to kind of have like a nice gradient going into the black. This is my favorite palette to create this look with, mainly just because I like all the colors in it, and also because it's really inexpensive. I don't know how much this is, but I'll put the price here. Another palette that's really great to create this look with that has like, every color you would need is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. You have like your taupes and your nudes and your browns and your blacks and like a more red color that you can create this look with. This is more not high end, but it's more expensive. I believe this is like, I don't know, $42. I don't know how much it is now, but I think that's how much it was when I purchased it. You can use whatever you have, just those main colors you need, like black, brown, like a reddish brown and orange color. As long as you kind of have those three colors to create that kind of, I don't know if you would call it like an ombre or just like a gradient, that kind of like light to dark. And I think you can definitely create this look. I think this is perfect for the holidays. It's basically like a neutral look that can go with any outfit or really anything. So yeah, comment down below if you guys enjoyed this look. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.